Good morning, everyone. My name is Tony Holowitz, and I want to thank you for being here for this tutorial on ACT CRM software. I want to talk to you about clearing cookies in certain browser settings from Microsoft Edge. When people are using the web-based version of ACT, I recommend Microsoft Edge because I think it responds best. It is rare when I recommend Firefox. Some people like to use Chrome, but my recommendation as of the time I've been using is use Microsoft Edge. Having said that, every once in a while you'll notice that the web version of ACT might respond a little bit differently. And I just did a lookup, and when I did the lookup, a white box appeared on the screen where I wanted to type a name and it wouldn't go away. So sometimes when I see weird things like that, and especially because I had just logged in, sometimes it suggests to me that one of the things you need to do is to remove some old browsing data. So I want to show you how to do that. I'm going to come up in Edge and I'm going to click on these three little dots right here. I'm going to go down to the bottom where it clicks on Settings. And once I get into Settings, I'm going to come over to the left-hand side and I'm going to click on Privacy and Services. And let's see, where is it? Right here. I'm going to click on Privacy right here. And what's funny about this instruction is I'm reading some stuff off the web because you know how you have certain things you just forget how to do? I have a mental block on this. I always have to look to remind me how to do this. Each browser is a little bit different, whether it be Edge or Firefox or Chrome. If you're using a different browser, I'm going to suggest that you just Google how to remove cookies and history and some of the older things you do, browsing data. So in this case, I'm going to go down to the bottom, and here it says choose clear browsing data now. So I'm going to choose what I want to clear, and I'm going to do it right here. Different browsers have different ways that you can clear their data. So the recommendation I want to make is regardless of the browser you use, just Google it. Say, how do you clear browsing history or cookies from Chrome, Edge, or Firefox? And that will be beneficial to you. So because I'm using Edge, let me show you what I'm going to do. Because I just had this problem, I decided to record this video. I'm going to click here so that it also removes my browsing history. So virtually everything here is things that I want to clear. I'm going to click on, let's see, no, I'm going to do that. And at this point, I am just going to clear all of this. I'm going to click back. I'm going to come down here. So after I've made my choices, I'm going to come back to clear browsing data. I'm going to click on choose what to clear. I'm going to click clear now, and it's going to clear everything all time. I could pick a time range, but I'm not going to do that. So here I go. Okay, so hopefully that will solve my issue with that ACT box popping up for ACT Premium Cloud. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so very much for being here. You have a great day. Bye now.